Medicines. Whether you're young, old, diagnosed with a life-threatening disease, or only trying to maintain a healthy life, we all use medicine. The active ingredient in medicine may come from natural resources like plants or can be synthesized out of chemical substances in a lab. Both of these has to go through processes before it may be sold to the public. But who is the people responsible for changing this into a life-saving product?
A wide range of different people with different backgrounds and skill sets work together in the pharmaceutical industry, and one of them is pharmaceutical engineers. This leads me to my next question. What is a pharmaceutical engineer? But before I answer the question, a bit of background about me. I am a second-year pharmacy student studying at the Northwest University. My core purpose, as I believe anyone in the healthcare profession would say, is I want to improve the overall quality of life. And as you may have guessed, I would want to pursue a career in the pharmaceutical engineering sector. I believe this sector could bring big changes to how we manufacture our drugs and the overall quality of the patients' lives. And now for the question you have all been waiting for. What is a pharmaceutical engineer? Pharmaceutical engineers design and manufacture pharmaceutical products. It covers all parts of drug manufacturing, from designing a new facility to optimizing manufacturing processes. Now, what is the responsibilities of a pharmaceutical engineer? Depending on your sector, it may include the design and operation of machines in a manufacturing plant, the upscaling of production capabilities to ensure financial success, the packaging of products to optimize its distribution, the design of the product or drug in a laboratory, drug conception, which also takes place in laboratories, quality control of the product and facilities that must maintain GMP, good manufacturing practice, and the design of labels and presentation of medications. What is it about pharmaceutical engineering that makes it so unique? It is a challenging yet satisfying career. You save lives as well as improve the quality of life of many patients through this career. Patient safety and regulatory compliances are some of the responsibilities a pharmaceutical engineer has to undertake. Now, what is the skills needed to become a pharmaceutical engineer? Critical thinking. You should be able to analyze a situation and make a decision based on your knowledge. Leadership and team building skills. You should be able to communicate effectively with a team and to lead them to make appropriate decisions. Technical skills. You should be able to solve complex problems in the pharmaceutical engineering sector and be able to adapt to fast-changing environments. Good attitude. You should be able to have a lifelong learning process and as well as to embrace all challenges and opportunities that come over your path. Creativity. You should be able to think outside the box and to be different than all the other people in your sector. You may be wondering, how do you become a pharmaceutical engineer? Well, you have two options. The first is a postgraduate program. For example, the Pharmaceutical Engineering Postgraduate Program at the University of Sheffield. This is a one-year program. The requirements is an honors degree in science or technology or engineering. This program focuses on the formulated products, manufacturing technology, biotech and pharmaceutical industry, biopharmaceutical manufacturing, biopharmaceutical engineering, practical design, and processing, safety, management, and business practice. The second one is an undergraduate program. For example, the Bachelor of Engineering with honors in pharmaceutical engineering at Singapore Institute of Technology. This is a 4-year program. The requirements are good pass in any 3 of the following subjects: math, physics, chemistry, and biology. This program focuses on pharmaceutical product design, process development, operations, regulations, and validations. This program focuses on the development and manufacturing of the 2 largest classes of pharmaceutical drugs, namely biologics and small molecule drugs. And that is my presentation for today. Thank you for watching, and now you know a bit more about what pharmaceutical engineers is and what they do in the pharmaceutical sector.